Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to get to Vesuvius on your own for only 20 euros. You can't get there by direct bus from Naples. You need to get from Napoli Ortanolana station to the Escolana Scavi station towards Sorrento. The ticket is inexpensive, about 3 euros one way. On the square in front of station is the office of the company Vesuvius Express Arcalana, the cheapest company with fixed prices. Here you can buy a round-trip bus ticket to Vesuvius, as well as a ticket to enter the Vesuvius zone. Only if it's available you can climb to very top, since the territory of Vesuvius is a national park. It's better to buy it immediately in this company, because the ticket office at the Vesuvius is not where the entrance is, but down the slope, and you will have to walk down it for a while, then back up. And the fact that the cost in this company and at the checkout is the same. On the way, the driver can make a couple of stops in the most picturesque places.
Very beautiful, eh? Rapido, rapido.
Non fate in modo che devono venire a soccorrere.
No. Tutto sotto controllo. Sì. Sorrento Capri. Right, dischi approach da Porto di Napoli. Napoli. The big one here is Capri. This is Capri. L'isola dell'amore.
Buses run every 40 minutes, starting at 9:30 am. The journey takes about 25-30 minutes. Buses go to the car park at the entrance to the cone of Vesuvius, which is located at an altitude of 1000 meters. The rest of the way to the crater, which is about 1 kilometer, you will have to walk along a rather steep slope covered with fine dust, and it's advisable to wear closed shoes. No transport goes on this road, so calculate your straits. When you buy a ticket, they will stick a small sticker on your clothes or on your bag. Try not to lose it. This is the mark on which bus you should take in the opposite direction. A round-trip ticket costs 10 euros and another 10 euros ticket for Vesuvius. Vesuvius is the only active volcano in mainland Europe, located 15 kilometers from the city. It is now 35-37 degrees in Naples, and the temperature here is very comfortable. It seems the road goes to the sky. Look, what a crazy view! The beautiful Gulf of Naples, the sea stretching into the distance. You walk and admire this nature. The road seems not so difficult for this wild view. Oh, we went to the cone. Here is a crater. Also, Vesuvius is not considered an active volcano. The last eruption was in 1944, so you will not see lava or at least smoke in the crater. suppose we can go down. The ascent took approximately 20 minutes. Oh, look here, the cone is also clearly visible. In general, in Italy, there are 5 active volcanoes that you can climb, and Vesuvius is the most pop of them. Around the crater is full of tourists with selfie sticks, stalls with souvenirs, and if you wish, you can take a taxi almost to the crater. You are unlikely to feel like a pioneer on its top. Despite all this, climbing in Vesuvius is worth it, only because of the gorgeous view from a height of 1,281 meters. You can walk around, look panoramic views, steps can go farther, the beautiful Gulf of Naples can be observed from all sides. Very beautiful, such beauty is unreal. And so you go on the right, a bombing view of Gulf of Naples, and on the left, the crater. So beautiful, not real. That I cannot see enough. So many impressions that I cannot see enough. Just for 20 euros, such impressions, the best 20 euros I spent in my life. And there in the distance is the third final platform. There is no further progress. During the time that you are at the top, you get some kind of color therapy. Directly the blue ocean. At some point, it merges with the sky into one color, and you seem to dissolve somewhere in the blue sky. Therefore, if you are nearby, be sure to go to Vesuvius. It's completely worth your attention. See you next edition. See you.